Hey everybody, how's it going? So I was just gifted this espresso machine for the purpose of making this video, and we're actually going to put this machine right over there. So we have a coffee maker, we've got a hot water maker, we've got a soda machine, and we're going to put the espresso machine someplace over there. So let's pop this out of the box and see what we have in here. Right off the top, we have the instruction manual, and it looks like this is all in English, and it's a combination of literature and some small diagrams. So you can see some of the diagrams in there, which is always a plus, because if you're like me, I'm very visual, and so if I see pictures or diagrams, it makes it like a little bit easier for me. All right, let's see what I'm trying to break right off the bat here. Okay. Looks like a tamper and a measuring spoon. See if there's anything else on this side over here. I don't see anything. You always want to make sure that you check the packaging. Because oftentimes they will put stuff inside the packaging, and I have been known to throw a thing away a time or two in the past. So, all right, so we've got some packaging tape here that is holding, looks like the water supply in the back there, keeping that little flap down. And then same thing here. We've got, let's see here, a bunch more packaging tape. This is that packaging tape with the string in it, so it's not real keen to be cut or torn. All right, there we go. Okay, looking at the stuff off to the side here. There you go. Lots of tape. All right. All right, so it looks like there's two of these. One is for 2 cups. It's got 2 ports on it that drip, and this one here also has 2 ports. So it's probably going to be the determining factor on how strong your coffee is going to be. We'll show how this works a little bit later, but for now, we're just going to go ahead and set it over there. We'll probably move it around at some point, but there you go. The Kismile Espresso machine. This was gifted to me for the purpose of making this video, and I have several Kismile products, and they're really, really good. Very pleased with them. So there you have it, guys. Have yourselves a fantastic day. We'll catch you on the next video. Cheers, y'all. Hey, I just wanted to say a quick thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you'd like to see more videos, the link to my Amazon storefront is down in the descriptions, and I'd love it if you'd take a little walk over there, check it out. Have yourselves a fantastic day. We'll catch you later. Cheers, y'all.